Hello everyone, welcome to CodeChef. Myself Jwala Choras, and today we are gonna solve the problem which came into starters 216. The name of the problem is Best Seats and the problem code is Best Seats. The difficulty rating of the problem is Cakewalk and the prerequisite is a dog. Let's start with reading the problem statement over here. So guys, problem says Chef and Shafina are trying to watch a cricket game. They have already decided a row of n seats where they will seat, but they are yet to figure out the exact two seats they will buy. The ith seat in the row costs you 5 coins to buy. Obviously, they have to sit next to each other, so they will only buy adjacent seats. Can you figure out the minimum cost for them to buy two seats such that they are able to sit together? Input format. The first line of input will contain a single integer t denoting the number of test cases. Each test case consists of multiple lines of input. The first line of each test case contains a single integer n, the number of seats in the row. The second line contains n integer a1, a2 till a of n. Output format for each test case, output on a new line, the minimum cost of buying two adjacent seats. Constraint for t lies from 1 to 100, for n lies from 1 to 100, for a of 5 lies from 1 to 100. So guys, now let's understand the sample. Let's get on the question more precisely over here. So guys, this question is very straightforward. It says that Chef and Shafina are trying to watch some cricket game. They have already decided a row of n seats where they will seat. Okay, so they are yet to figure out exact two seats, and they want to sit next to each other. That is adjacent. Okay, and the ith seat in the row cost a of 5 coins to buy. Obviously, they want to sit next to each other. That is adjacent. We have to figure out the minimum cost for them to buy two seats so they are able to sit together. Now let's take the first test case. The first test case we have got these a of i's which is 5 and 10. Okay, there are only two seats. Okay, so they will sit together and they have to buy them. So 5 plus 10 total cost is 15. Okay, now let's take the second test case for a of I. This is 132, which is 1, 3, and 2. Okay, so if they want to go for the minimum, they will take seat 1 and seat 2, because if they take this seat or this seat, it will be 5, and they can't take 1 or 2 because they have to be adjusted. So 1 plus 3, which is equals to 4. The minimum coin is 4. Okay, so guys, I think the test cases are pretty much clear and very straightforward. Now let's move toward the simple solution. So if Chef and Shafina purchase seats I and I plus 1, they must pay a total of A of I plus A of I plus 1. The answer is just the minimum of A of I plus A of I plus 1 across all I 1 to n. This can be computed in linear time by simply iterating through the array, right? Simple, guys. Now let's move toward the simple C++ code. So guys, this is my simple C++ code. I took the input for all the test cases as well as my array A. I initialize answer equal to 500. I'm running a for loop to take the minimum throughout my array of answer comma A of I plus A of I plus 1, the adjacent one basically, and the last simply printing my answer. And as you can see that guys, I have got my C++ code right now. Let's move towards my Python code. So guys, this is my simple Python code. I took the input for all the test cases as well as n and as well as my array A. I initialize answer equal to 500 and I am running a for loop. Yeah, and in this answer, I'm storing the minimum of answer comma A of 5 plus A of 5 plus 1, that is the adjacent sums. Okay, whichever is the minimum. And the last simply printing my answer. And as you can see that guys, I have got my Python code as well as right. So guys, I think the solution, the code and approach is pretty much clear. Now let's meet in the next video. Thank you so much guys for watching our videos.